So today I'm going to make my own burger again with mince I bought from Checkers Hyper. It's called High Noon Beef Burger Mince. It's under 100 a kilo and it's really delicious. Here what it looks like. Very nice. And the nice thing about it, you can shape it into any size, any shape that you want. On this burger I have cheese, a patty, tomato, lettuce and also some egg. And the sauce I made by mixing fruit chutney half of Steers barbecue sauce and also a little bit of the kitchen hot sauce with habanero. So as I always say, it's all in the taste. That patty was really nice. I give it a 7.8 out of 10. Yeah guys, just go till next time. Love you all. Delicious.